I want to sell the dollar yen at 10736. That order is being filled now, so I'm now in this trade. Scalping, can you believe that? Scalping the dollar yen. This is a live day trading on the 24th of June 2019. The time in London is 8 minutes past 4 p.m. Now, this is the gap period, so to speak. Is it? No, not yet. We are not yet in a gap period. If you look at we still got 30 minutes before we enter the gap period, so it's not too bad time for scalping. So I'm now in this trade at 10735, selling the dollar yen. So you may say, George, why are you selling, scalping, and selling at a support level? Well, there is something in the pudding here, and I'm expecting it to come down very fast to this point. I can get 10 pips very fast in this trade. It come down very fast to this level, at least minimum very fast. All right. So this is what we are talking about. I recorded a video recently. What was the title of that video again? Something to do about how to use a line chart and candlestick pattern. All right. So it's a combination of many things. So you can see that the price, you see here. So it came down, you see here. So this is a bearish move, okay, on the 5-minute time frame. So it came down, rally up, but it pulled back, went below. You see, there was this bullish trend line. So here it looks like, look, looks like an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern on the 5-minute time frame. Yes or no? So that's why I say to traders, do not use one time frame alone. You want to investigate on a higher time frame. Use multiple time frame. So it looks on the 5-minute time frame like an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. All right, you can see even here, the moving number 50 goes above 100, and people want to buy. Nothing wrong with that. You see the price action, it breaks below that trend line. Not only it breaks below it, it converted that bullish trend line into resistance. So that bullish trend line that you see there is no more a support, it's a resistance. So you may say, George, so we can do that on a 5-minute time frame anytime. Don't use the 5-minute time frame alone. All right? Don't use the 5-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm watching my scalping because I want to grab 10 pips very fast, okay? Now, we're going to be a little bit curious, okay? We're going to the hourly time frame I prefer 2-hour time frame. So allow me to go to the 2-hour time frame instead of the hourly time frame, okay? Two-hour time frame. Now we're on the 2-hour time frame, okay? So we get a new information here that can help us to see. So on the 2-hour time frame, which market pattern do we have? So as you say to trader, you change time frame, draw your channel. So which channel we got here? This is something TSTW24 traders we recommend them to do. The 2-hour time frame, that's what we call the third best time frame. So we are in a declining channel on the 2-hour time frame. No question about it. Yes or no? And I draw that channel, and I'm going to draw the media line of that channel. Okay, so here we are. So pay attention to the media line on that channel. Here we are. I'm going to change the color of that media line into pink. There we are. So that's our channel on the 2-hour time frame. So when you look at this market pattern, you should be saying to yourself that if you are combining the 2-hour time frame And the 5 minute time frame, you say that this is not a good time to buy, yes or no. You'll be saying that. So if you are buying now, you will say that I am trading against the market pattern of the 2 hour time frame. As a scalper, for instance, you are using a 2 hour time frame as your higher time frame. You will say that this is not the best time to buy because we are in a declining channel. So let's go back again to the 5 minute time frame. Okay, is my thing working perfectly? They are still hanging there. Okay. So now we come to the 5 minute time frame now. Now you can understand it's not only because of this trend line that people sold it on a 5 minute time frame today, but it's a combination of this media line of the 2 hour time frame and this trend line. So we have here what I like to call a hotspot trend zone. The price break below that trend line and went to retest it together with the media line of that one on the 2 hour time frame. So that's why people are selling it now. So you may say, Joe, you come a bit late to sell. I understand that. Yes, I know. Best place to sell will be here. So that will be safer place. All right. I am scalping. All right, to catch. So for this trade, we'll use 15 pips. All right, 15 pips very fast for this trade. If they kick us out, that's okay. All right. So just a speculative trade. All right. Sometimes they will say 10 pips. I will use 50 pips. 15 1 5, yeah, 1 5. Okay. 15. So it's quite a good stop loss for this trade. All right. Bringing us somewhere really, really up. So you may say, Joe, you could use 10 pips, so I'll use 15 pips, okay? For this scalping trade. It's a good protection. Now, I am ready to close the trade at any time, okay? So I may not allow them to take all the 15 pips if I see it going up all the way above the moving average 14. I may close the trade before they hit the stop, all right? So I'm ready. So when I'm scalping, I can close my trade anytime. So it's quick, fast profit, all right? Like a Zulu trader, all right? So there is a bearish pressure from here. So now I'm selling when the price was breaking this support here. See, there's a key level here. You see on the 5 minute time frame. So that's where I was selling it. Okay, they are pushing it down. There are other reasons why I decided to sell it there, but should we talk about it? Because I don't want new traders to get into trouble because of that. All right. Okay, I'll mention it very fast. Okay, but if you're a new trader, don't try it yet. Okay. So you see this move is it's a distortion. All right, it's a vertical price move. It's a distortion. Now the price cancel it completely. They cancel it completely. All right, at a resistance zone. All right. Okay. Now look carefully. They sold it also here before. Okay. And anytime this currency pair tried to go up, people sold it down. Look at this section here. It tried to go up very, very high. You see here? It was trying to run away. Similar thing is trying to do here. And somebody said, no, 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 no. They sold it all the way down. They didn't stop. At this support, they continue to sell it down. Okay. Now, it tried to do the same thing here. Somebody say, no, 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 no. They sold it all the way down. So the person that is selling is not letting it go. It's not letting it go fast. So that's why I'm a little bit confident to sell it here again. Not confident, but I was happy to sell it here. Okay? So when you are using a 5 minute time frame, at least combine it with another higher time frame. We can go from the monthly chart all the way to the 5 minute time frame. We can go from the daily chart all the way to the 5 minute time frame. Okay? So, but I have a better reason why I decided to sell it, because of what we see on the monthly chart, okay? So there are sellers who sold it on top of this blue channel here. So right, they sold it here. Normally, they should take profit here, probably bounce out. Normally, there should be buyers here. So people were buying on the lower part of the triangle. Now it's out of the triangle and people are pushing it down. So the dominant force on the monthly chart is bearish. People are selling it. Though we are now on the edge of this trend line, I'm giving priority, talking about the monthly chart, to a bearish signals below the lower part of this triangle. So I'm not in a good mood to buy below that the lower part of this triangle on the monthly chart. Okay? And also looking at the monthly on the 2-hour time frame, we are in a declining channel and we are below the median line. So now the price is struggling to go back above the median line of that declining channel, which means the bearish momentum is increasing. So now that I show you the same financial instrument, which is the dollar yen, on different time frames, it becomes clear to you now that what was happening on a 5-minute time frame is not the whole truth. Do you get the message? So though you see this inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, and also the moving average 50 when above the 100 here, is not the whole picture. So though the moving average 100 when above, moving at 50 when above the 100 here, even if we take into consideration the price action, which means we may say, all right, the price was in a rising channel. As soon as it comes back below it, we will be more careful, yes or no. So suppose you bought it here, all right, so now it couldn't display a new higher high. So if you are buying here, it's because it formed a new higher high followed by a higher low. So now that you bought it here, it failed to go above the prior high, but not only that, it returned below. All right. Do you understand that? So it's telling you that, oh no, I'm going down. You see, then that's why you have to investigate and look at different time frames. So a TSTW24 trader that is using 2-hour time frame as the third best time frame, all right, may see clearly that he or she is violating the market pattern straight away. You see that? Now check out our web page at Day Pro Traders, the 6th biggest trading mistake. All right, so you may understand. All right, let's go back to the 5-minute time frame. So my scalping is working beautifully. Why beautifully? Because they are not challenging me at all. So I'm going to hang around a bit, all right? So far, okay, so good. All right, I got 4 pips so far. I'm going to hang around a bit, and I'm going to allow it to go down a little bit more. All right. This is a scalping looking for quick and fast profit. All right. It can go down more. All right. I'm just going to go quickly to the monthly charts. That's a green trend line. We need to watch it carefully. Okay. Returning to the 5-minute time frame. That green trend line, that's the one here. So it's all the way here. Okay, and that's from the monthly chart. Okay. So far, so good. Beautiful. That's the way you want it. You want it to be working beautifully for you. But let's see how long I've been talking to you now. That's 40 minutes. So this is what I say to traders when we are live recording. It can take longer than we are expecting. Hopefully this will be a quick and fast trade. So we don't want the video to be too long, okay? So you get a message? So the problem that a lot of scalpers are facing is that they go, for instance, on the 3 minute time frame. Some even go to the 1 minute time frame. I discourage traders, please do not use the 1 minute time frame unless it's working for you. That's my personal view, all right? Use 3 minute time frame if you are somebody scalping on a lower time frame, okay? But if you are using TSTW24, you need to stick with the TSTW24 rules, all right? Very important. But the challenge of scalpers is that they are only trading on a lower time frame. So some scalpers will go on a 15-minute time frame. And what they are doing very often, they are playing with the stochastic overbought, oversold. So like now, the stochastic on a 50-minute time frame is oversold. Those people will try to buy here. Now, they were doing the same thing here. Look, they were trying to buy here. You see the vertical line. But the price continued to go down before it changed direction. So people are just selling just because the stochastic, here it is. The stochastic was overbought, yes or no? But the price went up. It was overbought here. The price pulled back a bit, but it's still going up. And this is how people are scalping. All right. So right now, these are the people that are wasting other traders' time because they just stopping the price at every time the stochastic is oversold or overbought on the 50-minute time frame. Okay. Use different time frames. Okay. All right. So because I've said it already, what I'm doing here, scalping, so I'm just trying to fill the void, all right, by talking to you more, by explaining to you more, so that don't forget that we are scalping. So right now, if you look again carefully, so this is the price action. So now one more thing I will say to scalpers that we are trading the price action. As I say to traders, at least combine two types of trade on the edge. So what traders were doing, those who sold it now on a 50-minute time frame did not make a wrong decision, you see. So this is what we call a hot spot trading zone, okay, on a 50-minute time frame, combining a 2-hour time frame trend line and a 5-minute time frame line, or you may call it a 50-minute time frame trend line, all right, because now I'm on a 50-minute time frame. So this is a hot spot trading zone. So they see a candlestick bar with a shadow piercing through that hot spot trading zone. The second candlestick bar is a doji, and the stochastic is overbought. This is not a bad decision because now they are not using only the 50-minute time frame. Are you watching the time now? It's now 15 minutes, it's now 18 minutes. We are now nearing 20 minutes for this recording. You see now, live recording can take longer. Okay? So it was not a bad decision. But the difference here is that they were a little bit smarter because they combine at least the 2-hour time frame and the 50-minute time frame. And they were paying attention to the price action. Price breaks below a trend line, is retesting it. That's the second condition. Now, the third condition, the common setting line is broken. So the most powerful scalping tool is what? Common setting line is broken. And the stochastic is overbought. That's good. Right? So now you see now we have a tail here. Now this is normal to a certain degree because why? There's a support of 50-minute time frame. So some traders are taking profit at this level. Now, stochastic crazy trader will try to buy also just because the stochastic has reached oversold zone. That's wrong. What they could have done, all right, is again combine a higher time frame and that lower time frame. Not only that, the common setting line, all right, is not even broken yet. So why are they buying? Why are they trying to buy? That's the common setting line. The new common setting line is still there. Okay, so I'm going to call out that common setting line now into Which color do I use now? Green, dark green. Make it a little bit thick. Are you watching the time? We are now 20 minutes so far. Are you still watching? Because I want a short tutorial. If you are doing live recording, it's not easy unless you cut some of the video. So the common center is not yet broken. So why do you try to buy now? Because the stochastic is oversold. Crazy. I think those that are using the stochastic should have a license. Say, George, are you kidding me? Yes. They should have a license to use the stochastic. They are wasting my time. Or they should subscribe to stochastic-MacG. Spend days. We lock them up on that website, so they spend days to learn to master the stochastic. All right. This is to make you laugh a bit, okay? I'm kidding. I don't mean it, all right? Good. All right. Okay, I'm trying. Okay, let's quickly go to the 3-minute time frame. Okay, just to see what's going on in the 3-minute time frame. So my scalping is working beautifully, yes or no? See, it's just going down. All right. So should we close the trade now? Should we wrap it up? Do you get a message? Are you getting tired now? Or should I let you run? Some traders are getting tired. You don't have enough time to watch this scalping live trading video. So in fact, for those of you who are more interested in the dollar yen, the bigger picture, as I show you on the monthly chart, is a little bit bearish right now until we come back again to the edge of that green trend line. A triangle is indicating to us that anything is possible, but if the price break below the triangle, the bearish force is stronger than the bullish force. It stays above the triangle, it's a bullish zone. So we are now in a bearish territory. Doesn't mean that it go down forever. It's going down, it's looking for a better support level. So you want to know where are the support level. There's that green line there. There's another one at 10542. If you are buying below that triangle, you need to be very protective because it's a bearish zone. Until it goes back inside the triangle and find a support, then we will play it again as a consolidation from the lower part of the triangle to the top and see whether you manage to break above it. But if you stay below the triangle, even the first lower high below that triangle is a high probability trend setup. Now you understand why I was a little bit courageous to show it at the level where I showed it on the 5-minute time frame, because we were in a bearish territory. All right, I don't want this video to go over 25 minutes, and we see. So, all right, you saw it now, you understand it. My expectation is that at least it come all the way here. It's taking a bit of longer time. I don't want the video to be too long, all right? So you can play with it yourself and see what you can do, okay? So if this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down, all right? If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other traders, okay, feel free to share it on the social media. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay, Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. I'll be posting this video at Day Pro Traders talking about live scalping. To learn more about scalping trading, go to www.dayprotraders.com and check our web page about scalping trading, how to, all right? If you have any question or suggestion or blah blah blah, Feel free to put in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another tutorial, okay, to answer your specific question. All right. So right now, those on the 50-minute time frame are pushing the price back up a bit. I will not close the trade yet, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we will stop now. I said everything that I need to say now, and we don't want the video to be too long. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders. We're talking about live scalping, how to scalping trade like a pro. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all. It may go down more, we will see. But we are now 30 minutes away from the gap period. It may stop for now because of the momentum, the liquidity in the market. Thank you for watching.